What's going on, traders? Julian here from J. Lewis Trading. Just doing a quick market recap on what I was trading today, what I was adding and subtracting to the book before the weekend started. Here it is, TENX. This was what I was trying to trade today, and I say try because that's what I was trying to do. This was a pre-market mover. You can see that it gapped up nicely, put in a nice high, came back, gave me a bit of a pullback right through here. I was liking this. I did decide to get in off of this trend line break right through here. You can see that we broke trend line and then we came back into the range, a little bit of a retest right through here. We pushed into the VWAP, and unfortunately there was a very, very strong level of support that was built right through here. And I knew right here when this high got put in that the way that this thing was structuring out is it started to step down. You can see that we put that first initial high in, we put that second high in, creating that trend line resistance. It snapped, put in another high, higher than this one. The lows were stepping up. So all of this thing is pretty textbook stuff. And then this thing drops, holds support, bounces up, we get a lower high. So we're now transitioning to the downside. I made this very public that when this 214 level, I think I might have said 213 actually in chat today, but when that level snaps, this will start to step down. You can see that it stepped down right through here. We then reverted back to that view at mean and sold off for the rest of the day. So I did get stopped out on this. You know what? The low floats, there hasn't been volatility there over the last few days. I like to look at things that are up 30-40% and trade some of that volatility. Most of these stocks are teetering between 10 and 20%, and coming out of the gate strong. Pre-market was nice. Bell rings, they come out the gate strong, and then boom, they fall apart. But that is part of the game. Now, what I want to recap is Roku. Still long this thing. This is beautiful. I talked about this the other day with a few of its cohorts like Twitter, which is broken out long, Apple and Facebook. But I'm long Roku. I actually took my square position off, which was a huge mistake because I held this for about 2.5, 3 days, up 142% on the options, and it's stepped up significantly since I let it go. So that was a bit of a mistake. But like I said, still long Roku. Etsy is also something that I put in on the book. Sorry, ETSY. This is something that I put on the book today because this was looking nice. It did break out, so I'm net positive in this one. And still with CGC short. Today it had a bit of a bounce. You can see right through here there's about 5 days of selling. I suspect that we'll probably get 2 or 3 days of it rallying, maybe a 50% retrace on the Fibonacci's from this peak to trough, and then this thing will roll over. I got about a month worth of time for this thing to break down into that 24.25 level. So I will be holding this. And if you have any questions about these trades, by all means, please feel free to reach out. I am here to help. And let me know in the comments below if you're interested in a swing trading webinar. I'm thinking about holding one publicly. If you would like to attend something like that, leave a comment in below and let me know if that's something that you're interested in doing.